cauliflower.
나왔나 거든. 양치 좋아. 다지는 것도 땡데 가서 그래. 지상다고 자자지. These are really a serious matter. It reminds me the one professor, late Professor Joshi's book. 조시 권신 걸 봐. 그랑 들으시면 되게.
조시 라마니 조시.
그랑 간에 대전하러야 야간하러 남배추 냠야 찍듯 상하고 좀 정도가 상하고 최고 다음에 제가 체. any respect last the chumbles. So therefore, I think basically the tantric teaching, as they call it itself is called the secret doctrine. So must remain secret. So secret means only those few individuals who really have the basic foundation, basic qualification, then give them that practice, not for public or many people. My basic sort of aim, the Kalachakra initiation, not initiation itself. In the name of Kalachakra initiation, there's more public attention. People come. Then that gives me opportunity to explain how be a good human being, warm-hearted person. That's my aim. So therefore, the actual initiation, I think very few understand. And without understand, no initiation there. So that's just something like just public function. But that gives me an opportunity. More people come. At least during that period, I think very few is quarrel. So at least few days, they develop some kind of positive, compassionate motivation or something.